This video I just give an update on Skillz stock and their huge run up. Also the massive news that just came up yesterday could drive the stock even higher. I released a video about this stock 3 days ago, and if you guys got in, congratulations, because the stock ran up huge. So this is as of the 5th of February, so it's ran up 9.5% today. I released my video around Tuesday and it's ran up nearly 50% since that video. So if you guys invested in this company when I released my video, you guys are doing well. It's 2 days and it ran up nearly 50%. That's amazing. Skillz is a gaming platform which hosts like gaming competitions such as esports and other gaming competitions and mobile games. It's a growing sector in the few coming years, so that's why I'm talking about this stock. I talked about the fundamentals of this company in my last 3 videos, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description. So we're just going to briefly talk about why the stock is up so much. Skillz signed multi-year gaming agreement. This is huge, guys. Skillz to reach new audiences and expand presence on mobile. What this means is NFL wants more people to know about the esports sector and mobile games competitions. They're hosting a game developer challenge, both developing an NFL themed mobile game. This will be huge for NFL and Skillz because they are increasing the future of electric sports competitions on this mobile esports platform. So basically what this means is that more and more people will get drifted inside the traditional online sports sector. What this means for Skillz is that NFL has a lot of fans. So basically, where do these fans go? They go to the Skillz esports platform. This agreement allows them to get more people to Skillz for this. If they want to be in competitions, they go to Skillz. So this is really huge. So with these online sports and the combined with the esports sector with mobile games, I do think this is a huge thing for Skillz. NFL is bringing their audiences to the Skillz platform. So in a way, NFL is promoting Skillz. So their price target is $29.80, which is negative 30.7% downside. They still have 4 buy ratings and 1 hold, so that's good. Just to give you guys a bit of more confidence when you look at what the big institutions are doing. Some big institutions filed their fund fillings. So what this means is that these big institutions have bought Skillz, or they either sold Skillz. But I do think they bought Skillz because look at this. As of the 4th of February, they own 34,400 shares, and this US Bancorp D have 2,000 shares, and also T Ventures have 15,449,593 shares. So if you had $1,000 to invest, I would put my first $250. So I'll put my first $250 when the market opens tomorrow, no matter the price. You believe in their fundamentals, you believe in what they do, you believe in their future, then invest no matter the price tomorrow. If it drops to around $40, put your next $250 on that, because when the average down on cost, we buy below our first price we bought it at. So that's what we're going to do. Then the next week, so maybe on Tuesday next week, and it drops to $38, put your next $250 on that. Then the next day if it drops to $35, it might not even drop that low, because there might be like a 20% drop, but we'll be prepared for the dips. So if it drops to $35 on Wednesday, then put your last $250 on that. So yeah, we're set. Then we ride this up to its highs. So the reason we average down is because we don't want to buy all at once, because what if we buy all at once, it's up. Let's say it's down 2% on Monday, and you put all your money on that. Then the next day if it drops 5% more, you're not going to have cash on hand to buy the dip, and then you'll get FOMO because you don't have everyone else is buying the dips. You're missing out. The price target for this. So if everything goes wrong, the esports does not develop, and yeah, I would think that this price could go to $20. And goes well with the partnership, the agreement with NFL. I do think this stock could go well above 100 in 5 years, but for this year I would say my price target would be around $80. So that is nearly 100%. So yeah, so that was my whole analysis on the massive news and why I ran up so high. Please do research before consulting my videos, as I'm not a financial advisor. So feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy investing.